Have you ever looked at someone and felt your entire world pause for a second? Not because they were perfect, but because something about them made your soul whisper, "That one." Yet, as days pass, all you do is wonder if they even notice you. You try to act cool, play it safe, but deep inside, you're burning to connect, to be seen, to be chosen. The truth is, attraction isn't luck. It's psychology. It's energy. And more than anything, it's about how you make someone feel about themselves when they're around you. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful psychological tricks that will flip the switch in someone's mind and make them drawn to you. Not because you begged for attention, but because you earned their emotional curiosity. Let's dive into the science behind real, lasting attraction. Number 1, the mirror effect. Make them see themselves in you. If you want someone to feel connected to you fast, stop trying to impress them. Start reflecting them. This is called mirroring, a psychological phenomenon where we subtly mimic another person's body language, tone of voice, and speech patterns. Why does this work? Because the human brain is wired to trust what feels familiar. When someone sees a version of themselves in you, even subconsciously, they feel understood, safe, and more open. You're not becoming a copy. You're creating a bridge. For example, if they lean in slightly, do the same. If they speak calmly, soften your tone. If they talk about something they care about, reflect their enthusiasm. The key is subtlety. When done right, they won't even realize you're mirroring. They'll just feel an inexplicable comfort in your presence. People fall for people who make them feel more like themselves. When they laugh and you laugh in sync, when they open up and you respond with emotional resonance, they begin to associate your presence with their own happiness. In the end, attraction isn't about being someone you're not. It's about revealing the parts of you that match their energy. Become the echo of what they value, and they'll be drawn to you like a magnet. Number 2, the scarcity principle. Become rare, not available. Let me tell you a truth that stings. We don't value what we can always have. If you're always texting first, always available, always saying yes, you're not being loyal, you're being predictable. And predictability kills attraction. Psychologically, we're wired to desire what's scarce. When something feels limited or exclusive, our brain attaches more value to it. This is called the scarcity principle, and it's one of the most powerful triggers of emotional intensity. That means sometimes you have to step back to be missed. Give them space to think about you, to wonder where you are, to replay your last conversation. When you remove your constant presence, you create a void, and that void becomes curiosity. It's not about playing games. It's about respecting yourself enough to not overgive. When you focus on your passions, your goals, your own self-evolution, you radiate confidence and control. And nothing is more attractive than someone who doesn't need you, but still chooses you. So next time you feel the urge to text them first, pause. Let them come to you. Make your energy a privilege, not a given. When you show them you're rare, they'll chase you like you're the only one left. Number 3, vulnerability. Trigger. Share something real. If you want someone to fall for you, stop hiding behind filters and perfect answers. Get real. Get raw. Get human. There's a deep psychological force called reciprocal vulnerability. It means when you open up and share something personal, something genuine, the other person feels compelled to open up too. And that, right there, is where emotional intimacy begins. You don't need to overshare or dump your past. But if you talk about a real fear, a lesson learned the hard way, or a moment that shaped you, it immediately signals authenticity. And authenticity is magnetic. Think of your favorite people. Chances are they're not the ones with the perfect image, but the ones who made you feel like it's okay to be yourself. When someone sees that you're not perfect, but real, it breaks their emotional armor. Tell a story from your childhood. Admit you were nervous. Share a book that changed how you see life. Let them in, just enough to touch the real you. Because attraction isn't built in surface conversations, it's built in the depth of emotional resonance. When you become a safe space for truth, you become irresistible. And when someone feels safe enough to be vulnerable with you, they don't forget you. Conclusion and emotional call to action. Attraction isn't about tricks or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding the human mind and heart and showing up in a way that resonates deeply. Reflect their energy so they feel seen. Make your presence rare so it becomes valuable. Open your heart just enough to make room for theirs. These 3 psychology-based techniques aren't manipulative. They're rooted in awareness. And when you learn to apply them with authenticity, people won't just like you, they'll be drawn to you. So the next time you see that one person who makes your heart beat faster, don't freeze. Remember, you have the power to spark connection, to invite curiosity, and to leave a lasting emotional imprint. If this video opened your eyes or touched your heart, let me know in the comments. Share this with someone who needs a little confidence boost. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started on this journey into the deep side of psychology and human connection. You are worth being seen. You are worth being wanted. Just show up, bravely, quietly, and truly as you. Until next time, stay magnetic.